What's up, everybody? Been looking for this video for a while. No one had it, so I figured I'd make it. Got this seats from a guy. Gave them to me for pretty much free. My problem is he had to cut the seat belt. So what I'm going to do is show you how to replace that middle seat belt. All right, I'll go over to my old. Got my old seat right here. So first thing you want to do is undo your zippers on the side. Pop that back piece out right there. Dig out that zipper, pop that one out, and put your back here. Pull this up on both sides. That gives you access to this bolt right here, T50. Pop that bad boy out. Around here, I've already got all this off, but let me bust this guy off. You got cable release right here, and that guy goes right in here. Bear with me. Right in there. Just unscrew that, pop him out to release it, and you got your seatbelt loose. So now, feed all that back through there. There's your mechanism. Now, pause for a second and get the other side ready. All right, everybody. I'm back. Got a little prepping done. All right, as you can see, there's your T50. Got my sides up. A lot easier on the newer seats. A lot easier. Around this side, peel your foam out, and there's your setup. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out and get the other one in. Be right back. All right, now we're back. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. If that don't work, you gotta put a bar on it. Now for fun. Thought it was going to be easier. There we go. Just bust it loose. Boom, boom. Got that out. All right, now that we got that bad dogger out, pull our belt through. All right, here is the plastic component I was talking about right there. 2 screws on the outside, 1 screw down in there, and we could pop it apart. Be right back. All right. Screwdriver. Actually, now that I looked at it, you only got to do that one. Or no, we got to get all of them. At least that one right there. All right. Put them in the cup holder so we don't lose those. Alright, so now we come over here and pop our gate off. So down in there is a little spring piece right in here, so you gotta watch that. Alright, and that's what we look like. There's that little spring piece trying to come out. Just keep him back in there. He don't like to go back in his hole. There we go. Get that off just well, that's trash, so we don't need that anyway. We'll be back with the other. Okie dokie. Trying to get you up here. We got our piece right here. Cable. I'm going to put them back together. I don't know if you can see that, but Fasten that guy right back in that seat. Like I said, that little one likes to pop out, so you might take a couple times to get him to stay in. They don't give you much play on these either. That piece just don't want to go in. Alright, got that piece on. Alright, so ran into a little problem. Before you do any of the unbolting the bottom strap from the ground, go ahead and put a clamp on it. Otherwise, it will lock up. If it locks up, there's a little piece right here. Be right back. This little piece right here goes into there and locks all that down. So when you undo your stay, it rolls up, but it won't come back out. If that happens, pop that piece out, pull it back out like that, put your clamp on it, put it back together. Be right back. Alright, so we're back. As you see right here, left plenty out. Now, I'm gonna work on getting this guy back in. Alright, back to this piece. Alright. Hook in there. It's not the easiest thing to do, but there we go. There we go. Now that's back together. One more screw. Would be the little one that you gotta get in there. Alright, there we go. Now to do is put it back in. Back up through there. Up through there. Boom. Through, go back to this side. Oh yeah. Don't let that run on you. But wrap it around the headrest so it can't run on me. Alright. Now, put it back together. Be Velcro on all these seams. Put your Velcro in there nice and tight. Sure. Zippers pulled down. Use a multi-tool. Get your zippers pulled down. This is the easy side. The other side is relatively harder. Tuck all that under. Other side. Old tuck it tuck. Get them channels back together. Just fold the top over into the bottom. Boom, boom. And all you do is undo your bolt, put your end right in there with that one, bolt it down, and you have replaced your seat belt.